Well, most of the time retaining walls are more than decorative. They're functional because they're holding back some of the yard, like we said. They are giving you livable space that's flat that you can put chairs on, you can kick a ball on. If it's a decorative wall, then that means that you're probably using a more specialty, higher end material, maybe like a stack stone. Maybe it's more of a mortar type installation where you're doing like a cinder block or a concrete wall, and then you're using a ledge stone or some type of fascia that you're attaching to that wall. Another instance of a decorative wall might be in your garden. Maybe you create a pathway and you have an area that you want to berm up, and so you want to do like a decorative retaining wall around the edge that serves as a border. It serves to keep everything in its place, and so that's a great way to add some interesting variety to your landscape.